Next data structure is dictionaries. Dictionaries can be created by placing comma-separated list of key value pairs inside curly braces. So we define lists using brackets, we define tuples using parentheses, and we define dictionaries using curly brackets. Each key is followed by a colon, and then we define the corresponding value. Keys have to be unique because they are unique identifiers of the values in a dictionary. So we can't have a repeated key, but values could be anything and could be repeated, or could be in the form of a list, or could be tuples, could be just strings, could be just numbers. Basically, they can take any form. You have a lot more freedom defining values. So here's an example of the way we define a dictionary. A simple dictionary. Keys here are name, age, and city, and values are Alice, 30, and New York. And pay attention that each key value pair is separated by a comma, and everything is in a curly bracket. When do we use dictionaries? Dictionaries are mainly used for cases when we want to store the data in a very structured way. Let's say in this case you're storing the data for a specific person, or a good example of a dictionary would be thinking of a phone book, for instance, that when you open a certain page for a specific letter, that would be your key, and the value would be, or the values would be all the phone numbers in that specific category or under that specific letter. Now let's take a look at how do we implement or do various operations on dictionaries. What are the common operations? So I'm going to create a new file following the kind of same format. We call it dictionary I, and then I will just bring these here so we can follow these topics or subtopics. I'm going to close this for now. Save the file, close the previous files we had. So dictionaries, as we said, store key value pairs. Common operations, right? You define a dictionary, you want to access a value, you want to modify a specific value. We'll talk about a little bit about keys and values and item methods, and briefly just finding the length of a dictionary, which is not as important, but it's good to just mention that.